Hi everyone, Amit here. Welcome back to Food Culture Knowledge. We're going to show you how to use the water taxi at Universal Orlando that takes you back and forth from the resort hotels to City Walk, which is the gateway to the theme parks. The water taxis are available to all Universal visitors free of charge, regardless of whether or not they're staying at the resort hotels. These boats go to and from 4 of the resorts: Portofino Bay, Hard Rock Hotel, Royal Pacific, and Sapphire Falls. They leave either at the dock from City Walk to the resort or from the resort to City Walk. It takes approximately 5 minutes to complete the journey on the boat, depending on which resort you are traveling to or from. This service begins 1 hour before early park admission and runs until past midnight, weather conditions permitting. While wait times for the boats can vary, I can't recall ever having to wait more than 15 minutes to catch a boat from either side, and usually it's about 5 to 10 minutes. While there are buses constantly running from the resorts to City Walk, you cannot beat the experience and grandeur of arriving by boat. The boats offer wheelchair and stroller access to those who need them. They are spacious and comfortable while offering an adventure in themselves while you get to the parks. Today, we are going to take the journey from Sapphire Falls Resort to City Walk. Have a seat with us and enjoy the ambient sounds of the ride to City Walk.
Welcome on board. We ask that you please remain seated for the duration of the ride. Additionally, just to let you know, we've been notified there's lightning within 10 miles. Once lightning strikes within 5 miles, we shut down operations. So just a heads up. Right now we're okay. Probably not okay pretty soon. So does that apply to the boats or just for the parks also? The outside ride, the rides and the boats. The outside ride. Alright, thank you. The bus is still on the indoor ride. docking shortly. I ask that you please remain seated until we're fully docked and I give you all ashore. Please remain seated. Thank you.
Please honor us by hitting that subscribe button if you like this video.